If eating healthy meal is your goal, I think this video is for you. If losing weight is also your goal, this video is also for you, okay? In this video, I'll be showing you how I use unripe plantain to make this delicious porridge, okay? So to make this delicious and healthy meal, we need unripe plantain. So I'll just go ahead, wash this, cut it into smaller pieces just like this, okay? So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add this unripe plantain to my cooking pot. Then I will season it accordingly, all right? I have this video on my channel before, but I'm reposting it for the sake of my new subscribers and for the sake of those who did not get the opportunity to watch the previous video I posted. That is the reason why I am reposting this. If today is your first time coming across my video, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like, comment, share to your family and friends so that this video can reach a wider audience, and subscribe if you haven't, okay? Now let's talk about the health benefits of unripe plantain. Unripe plantain are beneficial due to their high fiber and resistant starch content, which supports gut health and help regulate blood sugar level, making them suitable for diabetics. Unripe plantain are also rich in potassium and magnesium, promoting heart and bone health, and contain vitamin C to boost the immune system. Unripe plantain can aid weight management by promoting satiety, and vitamin B6 content supports cognitive function. Unripe plantain helps in digestive system because they are rich in fiber and resistant starch. Unripe plantain also help in blood sugar management because they are low in glycemic index. Unripe plantain are also rich in vitamins and minerals. Unripe plantain also helps in weight management because they promote satiety and sustain energy. Other benefits include heart health, bone health, immune support, and anti-inflammatory properties. Now that you know the health benefits of unripe plantain, I hope you will be giving this recipe a try. So my amazing subscribers and my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. May God bless you abundantly.